Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today's little video on Roscoe is going to be pretty short and to the point. I didn't bother to install the process as I was doing it because it was ridiculously difficult and hard to see. I got this linkage from As-Is Design Works for Roscoe. When I bought Roscoe, there was no way to shift the transfer case. Somebody has swapped the transmission in this thing before, and all the linkage, it's like this crazy bell crank kind of thing. The linkage was just kind of busted up and zip tied up underneath. So to be able to, there we go. To be able to drive this thing in the winter time, kind of need four-wheel drive, right? So bear with me, we're going for a ride. So that's pretty straightforward. I've been putting off installing it because it kind of sucked. You know, I'm a big guy. That's how it goes. You reuse the stock bolt on the transfer case. It starts to do, I saw one guy take the front drive shaft out. Hold on a second. That is an unnecessary amount of noise. So I saw one guy take the front drive shaft out. I didn't really see any benefit because it looked to me like the yoke was going to be right in the way. As you guys can see, I'm all about doing things cheaper, faster, easier, but there comes a time where it's just worth it to spend some money, right? Like $70 I think I spent on that, versus fighting with the stock linkage and the little wore out plastic bushings and all that. So hopefully that pretty much wraps up Roscoe. I gotta like reassemble the back area, paint it and reassemble it. But other than that, I'm probably not going to do it during the winter. But it should be ready to drive. Shock mounts are welded back on. And new shocks, the Rubicons are too long. Roscoe is, at this point, ready to roll. So yeah, if you're having a hard time shifting, they make it for TJs, XJs, MJs. If you're having a hard time shifting into four-wheel low or whatever, you know, they get bound up and stuff, check out As-Is Design Works for the linkage. It's, in my opinion, worth it. I fought with it for about an hour and a half, but that's mostly because I'm big and my hands are big and it's a limited amount of space, but I think I'm going to be pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time on the Driveway Engineer.